Rob McMahon with Expert Village. Every different comes with different features. This one, which is very handy, has a built-on clip that you can either hang on the sawhorse, you could hang it on a rafter, hang it from your tool belt, and it folds back tight to the magazine so it doesn't get caught or in the way during general use. And every time you fire a nail, the air blowout comes out from the top. This model, you can direct that blowout in any direction. And this is useful. So if you're using it tight up against your face, if you've got the blowout pointing toward the left, you're going to get this big rush of air mixed with oil from the gun right in the side of your face, which can be pretty annoying. It also has a depth adjustment right here, which will set the different depths of the nails for harder woods or softer woods. You can keep the nail head flush, or you can keep it driven in deep. Also, if you have a jam, there's a quick release here for the magazine. You get the nails out of here first. So you just loosen that. The magazine slides out, and you have access to the pin, and you can get your nail out of the way. Stick it back together and retighten it, and you've cleared a jam that fast.